Wait, what's that noise? Wait, what's happening here?
Almost like the horse girl from the press of brake.
This is Rennies Daily. It's what we call diplomatic community. It's a 728 auto, which was in to get a brake light bulb. But Ren's been a bit of a wido to both Amjad and Stuart. So Stuart has, while fitting the brake bulb, he's made a little change.
Dude, what have you guys been up to?
Well, as payback to our dearest boss, Rennie, we have decided to fix his brake light bulb and wire 2 compact horns at the back of his dashboard, internally. So, fuck you, Ren, you got me in the shit.
Excellent.
The brake pedal. So when Ren brakes,
payback's a bitch!
when Ren brakes, his horn's going to sound. Well, not his horn, some random horns that we've hid under the dash.
One eternity later.
It's night time now. Rennie's planning on going. We've been trying to get him to get his car all day. He hasn't, but it's now home time, so he's going to go and get it. Let's go see if we can see anything.
What's this? What's that?
Wait, what's that noise? What's happening here?
Almost like the horse girl from the press of brake.
What's that happening? I don't know, how could that possibly have happened? How on earth did everyone end up round here waiting for me to go home?
Are you going home yet, Ren?
Ren, go home because we want to see! Right, we've got to drive home like that. Go and just do a drive at least, so because you'll realise how much you have to use the foot brake in an auto.
Oh no.
Again!
Why would you do this?
Stop that noise now! Stop that!
Some things didn't work!
Amazing!
Disconnect something immediately!
What's wrong?
The only electrical thing on this car is working too well!
Right, go home. Come on,
Go home.
get out, you need to shut the gate. I told you were starting a war that you didn't want to lose.
Now I have to go drive the Ranger here.